Good morning. Let's talk about the road test. And in some states, they're going to have you identify elements in the car. So obviously we have our steering wheel. This is for our turn indicator. Down is always left, up is always right. We have our windshield wipers. If you pull it towards you, you'll be able to spray the windows. Obviously we're at 0. You have your tachometer on the left. This tells you the RPMs of the motor. This car also has an auto stop. When you're stopped for a prolonged period of time, the motor will cut off momentarily. We have our fuel gauge. There's an arrow by the fuel pump icon. The gas tank is on the left. We have our temperature gauge. The car's just started up, so it's in toward the C. This car only has 479 miles on it. The car's in drive because the D is highlighted. If I put it up to P, the park will be highlighted. We're headed east. It gives you directions. The speedometer is to the right. This tells you how many miles per hour we're moving. This car does have adaptive spacing when you push this button. If you have to make a call and do hands-free, you can call if you've uploaded numbers into the computer. All newer cars have computers to control everything. This is for your audio, phone. This car does have Wi-Fi. There's some other internal settings. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. OnStar service is the service you get for 90 days to help you find your car, give you directions, and then you have your climate. Moving down, this is for your heat, the fan, and if you turn it to the left, it makes it cold. You turn it to the right, it makes it hot. We do have heated seats. This is the mid-range model. If you know how many speeds this transmission has, put it in the chat. I'll shout you out. This is a 2021 Trailblazer. Also, we have some other things here. We do have park assist. We also have lane departure. So this vehicle has some nice cloth interiors, pretty nice. We have a button for the glove compartment. Push that out. That's pretty nice, right? There's our wheel lock. Okay, we do have traction control. So let's go ahead and talk about how you set this vehicle up. You have your mirror to the left. You want to see a little bit of the car. You have your center mirror, so I'm going to adjust that. So when you're driving, you want to look up and see those mirrors. Same thing with the left and right. So that was a little bit of an intro to your mirrors. You will be asked to identify these things, and this car also has a push to start. Your horn's in the middle, and you want to come into your vehicle. Go ahead, put on your seatbelt, adjust your seat. There's certain things you need to do. So it depends on the state or province that you're in. I do appreciate you. If you felt this brought you value, give it a thumbs up, like. And if you want to learn how to drive, we have some great content coming in 2021. Subscribe to my channel, Driving with Myles. Have a great day.